So I just wanted to show you this yarn that I bought a while ago, and I've been working on it, and this is the one with the 20% wool. So this was the other cardigan I did. It's exactly the same brand, 20% wool and 80% acrylic, and I really liked this wool, and I had this other one, and so I finally finished knitting it up. And so this ended up being quite large and boxy, so I made this one a couple of inches longer, and I also decreased when I halved the back, the number of stitches. I decreased a little bit, about 10 stitches, so that when I added on the 10 stitches for my button band, it wasn't so big and bulky. So you can see it fits a lot better than this one. So these were the two colours that I did out of that yarn. Patterns Sierra, it's called. So I'm very pleased. I like them. These are my oblong cardigans, which I now call my cozy cardigans. It's just a bit of a shame for the button band. It was the light coloured yarn going up here, and I need to hold my tummy in so it's not stretching it a bit, so you can see the colours. But anyway, I'm very pleased with my very simple cardigans that I do. So that's another one. Bye.